candidate of Miss Gay Pangkalawakan. They call it candidate number 12, Miss Jody Dudut Jaworski. Once again, on stage, Miss Demonyo Lustre. Ganda, no?
All my ladies, wind to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low, take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, to the right, drop it down low, and take it back high.
Para siya naglalakad na swimsuit.
Follow my simple instruction.
Tsaka yung swimsuit niya parang warning device, no? Yung parang hindi ka bababangga. Yan, mga ganyan.
Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah.
The Demonyo Lustre is only 2 years old.
I am the boss. Buy anything, I don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm money.
She stands 6 foot in height at tangkad. Dahil sa buhok. With the vital statistic of 10, 20, 30, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Mahaba na statistic mo. And she is wearing a royal true orange swimsuit. Once again, on stage, Miss Nadine. Nadine, thank you, Miss Nadine. Nadine Mendoza. Wait lang, ang ganda. Ganda. Candidate number 7 is the president of Wuhan, China. Alright. Wow! Ang tari ng aso, may laso ha. Oh. At saka ang tari ng damit mo ha, parang referee. Ay, naghuhubat. Oh. Wow! Oh. Ang sarap. Akin na ay pamalo. Sarap, oh. Oh, oh, ay! Ang dumi! Oh, oh, oh. Ay! Ano yan? Ay! Ano yan? Ay! Okay! Kaya po sa mga magulang, 3 ba yung po sa mga kabataan? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh, oh. Kuya! Kaya pa, Judge? Oh. Ano ba yan? Okay, ulit. Ay, magulat. Oh. Ito. Walang yaka. Diyos ko. Sabi ko mag-ipit. Oo.